Hi, I'm Dr Abdelhakim El Gheriani, Consultant Orthodontist Diplômé in American Board of Orthodontics. And I'm here to tell you about our upcoming TADS course to be held in Abu Dhabi. This course is the TADS and Aligners Masterclass. So over 2 days, we're going to be discussing everything TADS as well as aligners and how to use them both together. In this course, we'll be placing TADS in sheep's mandibles, and we'll be doing over 10 exercises about placing TADS in all the different anatomical sites and placing TADS in conjunction with appliances. This course will be using the PSM Quattro system, traditional TADS. We'll be using the PSM Benefit system, TADS that can work with Benny sliders and expanders. And also for the first time, we're going to be using the Benefit Direct system, where the prefabricated appliances are placed directly using TADS, cutting out a lot of the steps required with the other methods that are used. So we're very excited to be doing this, in addition to other exercises relating to scanning, using aligners, placing power arms. It's a full course, and there's lots of new things that we haven't done before, so we're excited to see you. There's a few days left and a few seats left, so grab yours today. Take care.